Hello everybody, welcome back to Vintage Vagabond Vends. You know who it is, it's Susan. So I am back here with this week's haul of brooches that we have in store. Remember, you guys can all see these on Whatnot, so be sure to check us out there. Definitely, as always, I like to find out what your favorite brooch is, so definitely hit that thumbs up button, comment below which one you like the best, and subscribe if you like jewelry and all different other vintage items and new. But I'm gonna go ahead and get started. This one's unique. This week we have a haul of animals, so this is really cool. You can see there's a bunch of cats here, so we'll go ahead and get started. We have the gold tone cat with the bobbly head. How stinking cute is that? This one is marked AJC. We have a pewter cat. Looks like he is grabbing that mouse's tail. This one is marked JJ. What else we got here? We got the two pretty kitties. They're adorable. This one is marked, it looks like Shields Pewter. Really cool. Ooh, the blingy one. So we have the gold tone cat. You can see it has all the rhinestones on it. Green rhinestone eyes. Very cute. Gold tone kitties. There are 5 of them there. I don't see that one is signed. Really cute though. Looks like we have another pewter kitty cat. Meow meow. Look at this one. How cute is that? It's got the kitty with all the light bulbs around it, the Christmas ornaments, or Christmas lights I should say. And they are dangly. We got some more here. I'm just gonna set a few up. We got some doggies coming. There might be some more in there. So this is really cute. Painted doggy. What else we got? Oh, it looks like a little poodle with some rhinestone eyes. We got another, this one has some enamel painting on it. Really cute. Love the blue on there. Oh, a little dog, another little doggy. How cute is he? And we have the gold tone one with the enamel all over it. Very cute. Gotta love these animals. We got some more here. Let me just get a few more lined up for you. This one's really cool. Look at that. Very colorful. Looks like the cat just woke up from the cat nap, stretching out. Really cool. Oh, another little kitty cat. There is the back. Oh, look at this one. So we got the doggy, which is supposed to be looking out the window. Obviously is looking at the glass. This one's really cool. And this one is marked JJ. Oh, that one's coming for you. And it looks like that does move as well, which is really awesome. That one is marked M Gent. We got the silver with the gold tone trim, silver tone. Kitty cat. There is a little bit of, just looks like old sticker residue on the back. That can be cleaned up very easily. I got some more kitties. Oh, look at this. So we got the gold tone moon, and they do have rhinestones on their collar and the moon. That one, it looks like, is marked Panetta. Oh, this one is gorgeous. Look at that stone on there with the rhinestones. That one is awesome. Got this cool gold tone. This is a larger one. Kitty cat. Silver tone kitty cat with some hearts in there. Having a good old time. This one's really pretty too. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. What are you guys thinking so far? There are still more in here. So nice lot of brooches. A lot of times we do the animal brooches on Wednesdays, on whatnot, so be sure to check us out. We have a gold tone kitty. I'm sure you will see these there. Oh, this is really cute. We got a pewter doggy. I think that is a dog. Looks like a dog. Gold tone. Another really cute doggy with some spots. And you can wear that as a pendant as well. I think that is, oh no, that one is broken. So that is going in the broken pile. We got some more here. These are cute kitties, so I hope you guys are enjoying the cats. Here's another one. Look at that, with the green eyes. And that one is marked AJC. We have a pewter kitty mommy cat holding a little kitten. That one is marked JJ. Look at that gold tone cat trying to get at the bird. Let me see if this one is marked. That one is marked JJ as well. Really cool. Oh, this one swinging with the birds. Looks like that one is also marked JJ. And a few more here. We got some more kitty cats. I love the kitties. Oh, and we have this one with the little safety pin. Gold tone with the dog. The three cats. Oh, how cute. That one's really cute too. We have another pewter kitty cat. That one looks like he is up to no good. Climbing up everything. That one is marked JJ 1988. Oh, we got a little kitty in a basket with a little bobbly head, gold tone. This one is marked, it looks like gold crown. And the last one is this cute little kitty cats. That one is marked Hallmark 19, it looks like 88. So that is the last of it. Definitely let me know what everybody thought of this lot. I'm loving it. As always, I'm going to show you my favorites. I think these three kitty cats, actually this one too, these were all my favorites. So let me know in the comments below what your favorite one is. I appreciate you all joining today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see y'all next time on here. as well as on Whatnot. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye, everyone.